Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title, I am back to continue with my Android editing 101 series. So in today's video, I will show you how to create your YouTube banner. So first you'll go to Google and you'll type in YouTube channel template, and once you click on either one of those templates, you'll go ahead and save it to your phone, and that's the first step. Also, the only app that we will be using in this video is PixArt. So if you don't have it already downloaded, go ahead and download PixArt. It is free on the Android market. So once you're in PixArt, you're going to click that plus sign down at the bottom, and it's just going to take you to, of course, your photos and everything. And we're just going to click on that template that we just downloaded from Google so we can go ahead and create the banner. So now that we are here, it's time to find a background. So you can find backgrounds anywhere you would like on Google. You can also find backgrounds here on PixArt. So I click add photo at the bottom, and I'm gonna just show you guys a few of the back on PixArt. Like I said, you can also find some on Google or anywhere else. Okay guys, so for that dark gray area in the middle, that's going to be the main part that shows on your banners. So you can choose any color you would like, but for this video, I decided to keep the same color as my back. Now that I'm done with my photos, I am going to add my text, my logo, and all of that. So at the bottom, you just go over to text and put in whatever your channel name is. So now that I have my banner the way that I would like it, I am going to go ahead and save this to my phone or save it in PixArt. And that's what you guys see me doing right now.